Hello everybody, it's Chris from Father & Son Locksmith, and today we're going to be programming a key for a 2014 Ford Focus. We're going to be using this Ford Fiesta type key. This works on a lot of cars. We're going to be using the SKP-1000. So let's get started. Go to Immobilizer. Let's go down to Ford. Let's go to Focus. We're going to go to Key. Then we're going to scroll down to New Focus and press Yes. Without pin code, yes. Immobilizer. All right, let's turn the ignition on. Yes. Yes. Let's go ahead and add a key. It's already in the on position. Current number of keys 3. Yes. Reading pin code. Please wait for several minutes. Current key number 4. Press yes to continue. And succeeded. Let's take the key out. Put it in. All right, SKP-1000 works perfect on the Ford Fiesta type keys. See you on the next video.